Hey everyone, welcome back to MadInfra Lab. Today I'm going to walk you through how I solved hundreds of multiplayer issues. When I first started, everything was super laggy because different systems process operations at very different speed. And trust me, watching your multiplayer game into a slow motion slideshow is not fun. In the last video, I showed you how I used 3JS with React 3 Fiber to bring 3D experience into my app. I also tested WebSocket and showed a bit of chaos that comes with building multiplayer from scratch. This time we are going to deeper into what I was working on, why React's lifecycle matters here, and how I finally killed that annoying lag monster. So let's rewind. What's React and why does everyone keep talking about lifecycle? If you have ever built a website with JavaScript, you have probably noticed every update refreshes the whole page, but that's overkill. Like repainting your entire house just because you bought a new domain. React fixes this by only updating the parts that actually change. That's thanks to Virtual DOM, which compares the old stage to the new one and patches just what's necessary. Thus, React makes life easier with reusable components. Instead of copy-pasting the same button code everywhere, you build it once and reuse it. Change the label, just pass it in a different prop, done. And remember, React isn't even a framework. It's a library built by Facebook to make your building smoother. Competitors like Angular, Svelte and others exist, but once you learn one, adapting to the others isn't too painful. The lifecycle also ties into hooks. Use state, use effect, use memo. Plus custom hooks you can make yourself. You are the real engine that keeps your components reactive without micromanaging every change. Want a whole video about hooks? Just comment, I will make it happen. Okay, back to the multiplayer pane. React 3 Fiber gave me clean wrapper to 3JS and saved me a lot of boilerplate code. But then came use frame. That hook runs function every frame. If you are on a 144Hz monitor, that means 144 calls per second. And yes, it was pushing player position to the server 144 times per second. Spoiler, Stop and Kafka were not happy. Even Unreal Engine doesn't do that. It lowers the tick rate and smooth it out on the client side. Once I realized that, the fix was obvious. Throttle the data, keep it consistent and let the client interpolate. Now the major lag is gone. There are still some micro optimizations I could do, but for now, the whole core multiplayer experiment works, and this whole grind was never just about multiplayer. I am laying the foundation for something bigger, the robotic arm. I wanted to build one that could be controlled remotely through the web. Instead of 3D printing everything, I went full DIY with aluminium parts. Cheap, lightweight and easy to build. Designing it took days and first build didn't work. Version 2 though much better. And here's where I got to give a shout out. I was watching a video from another creator and he shared a super useful tip. So I use spacers instead of nuts and bolts. Otherwise they keep loosening and you will be retightening forever. That single tick saved me hours of frustration. Seriously, check out his channel, he's doing some incredible work. The next step is to assemble it properly and get it moving. Maybe once it's hooked up, the multiplayer backbone I just pulled is going to tie directly into this IoT project. Maybe. Everything I show here is a part of giant experiment. My motto stays the same. Make it access before you make it perfect. Right now I'm hosting this with a very old laptop and yeah, at least when we hit 100,000 subscribers I might upgrade the server. So if you want to stick with this giant infrastructural project, hit the subscribe button and share this with a friend. Let's build this crazy thing together.